Welcome, I'm Allie Torben, and this is a quick tutorial on how to annotate like a designer with just a few small tweaks. Let's go. All right, we have this one chart, and our first tip is to start simple. So we have all these boxes here showing the days. We're just going to delete half of them. We'll use white space as our friend, and then change the color of these other boxes to a light gray. So it just kind of fades into the background. And another tip, we want to align with purpose. Long sentences are easier to read when they're left justified. So these in chart sentences, we're going to left justify. And back to our first tip of starting simple, we want our annotations to be as close to the point that they're annotating as possible. So let's keep the lines simple with no arrowheads, and then I'll straighten the line so that it's completely vertical and it's not distracting by being diagonal. Now let's repeat for this other annotation. You can see how just these small tweaks make this look so much cleaner and designed. And back to our other tip of align with purpose, these day labels look a little bit squished up here at the top, so I'm actually going to move them down into the center so they have some room to breathe. And make sure that they're all aligned in the same way in the middle. So go to Arrange, Align, Align Middle, and they will be all arranged together. Now, other tip, create hierarchy with our text size. I want to make the title 18, the axes 12, and I also like the axes to go in the background a little bit, so I make them a dark gray color so that the annotations within the chart pop a little bit more. And the text within the chart, I'll make that 12 as well. And also use bolding to your advantage and bold parts of the annotation so they really pop again. And there you go, how to annotate like a designer with just a few small tweaks. I hope this was helpful for you. Bye now.